Ooh, guys, see that? I used a foundation that has warm undertone and I mixed it up with a Lumi cream that has a cool undertone to it. So this kind of mixed and made my skin look dull. Somewhat I look like I have mixed my foundation with a silver color paint. A silver color shimmering paint. Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are gonna test the Lakme's Lumi cream, a moisturizer with highlighter. I recently bought this Lakme Lumi cream and I really wanted to try this because I heard this is a dupe of Max Stroke cream. So let's try this and test it to see how it works on deep dusky skin tone. So let's move on. So let me begin with the basics, the packaging. This is how the Lakme Lumi cream comes in. This is the outer carton. It is a cardboard. No, it's a paper packaging. So it says designed for all skin tones and suitable for all skin types. So it says it is designed for all skin tones. Let's test that out. And it says it is suitable for all skin types as well. So my skin type is oily. So when you open the outer package, this is how the product will look like. I really like the packaging of this product because it kind of reminds me of like 90s cream. It opens like this. So let me tell you something that I found out when I read the ingredients list. The first ingredient is water, of course, and the second ingredient is niacinamide. But they have not mentioned niacinamide in the front packaging. The second ingredient, which means the main ingredient, is niacinamide. This cream has niacinamide in it, which is a add-on. So let me open this and pour some little quantity. It looks very beautiful, guys. The color is so beautiful. It has a baby pink color to it. The color is so beautiful. It has a creamy texture to it, not heavy at all. It doesn't feel heavy. It feels like a lightweight cream. There are three ways you can use this Lumi cream. You can use this as a moisturizer, or you can mix this with your foundation and apply it to get the dewy finish, or you can apply it on the highest points of your face to give that 3D natural highlighting glow. So let me do the first one. I have washed my face and I have toned it using a toner, and I'm directly applying this moisturizer. Guys, can you see the difference? It gives the glow. Oh my god. I've done my eyes and lips and nothing else on my face, guys. Believe me. Ooh, guys, see that? As I told you, this is not at all heavy. This is lightweight. It absorbed quickly onto my oily skin. Guys, do you see that glow? See? Guys, it gives that subtle glow. When you apply this moisturizer, you could see that subtle glow, not too much. So moving on to the second way to use this, and mix it with your foundation and apply it. So I'm going to take a pump of my foundation. Yeah, so this much. And I'm going to add the Lumi cream onto it. I think this would be enough. So while mixing also we can add the Lumi cream. So I'm gonna go with this one. I need more because this looks just like my foundation. So I'm gonna add more of the Lumi cream. Okay, let's see. Now my foundation itself looks like a dewy foundation which has highlighter in it. I'm not sure whether this is visible on camera. So I'm gonna go with my regular sponge. It has changed the consistency. My foundation feels a lot more thinner in consistency because of the Lumi cream mixing. Guys, this cheek I did not apply anything, whereas this one has the foundation mixed with Lumi cream. Can you guys see the difference? This side is matte and this side is shiny. Look at that. It gets absorbed into the skin very quickly. Even as a moisturizer, it got absorbed very quickly. This Lumi cream is a baby pink in color, which has silver highlighting particles in it. So being a warm skin tone, this kind of looks dull on my skin. I'm not sure how it looks on camera, but this kind of made my skin look dull rather than brightening it up. Somewhat I look like I have mixed my foundation with a silver color paint, a silver color shimmering paint. So this is what happens when you use a wrong undertone. I used a foundation that has warm undertone and I mixed it up with a Lumi cream that has a cool undertone to it. So this kind of mixed and made my skin look dull. Yes, there is a glossy sheen, there is a highlighting sheen, but this made my skin look dull rather than brightening it up. So this is what happens when you use a wrong undertone. So yeah guys, I wish Lakme should come up with a golden undertone or a warm undertone Lumi cream. That would be really stunning. Like the MAC one has a warm undertone or a golden sheen of stroke cream. So yeah, I wish. If you belong to the cool undertone category, you will really love this one. The third way is to apply this Lumi cream on the highest points of your face. So let me take a little bit, just how we apply our highlighter. So I'm going to take a little bit. Can you guys see that? A little bit of glow you can get. Yeah, it's very subtle. And also this one has a cool toned highlighter, which not gonna mix with my warm undertoned skin. So we finished the application part and the first impression. So let's move on to the pros and cons. The first pro of this product is that it has niacinamide in it. It's a very good ingredient. It makes your pore look smaller. It improves the texture of your skin. So it's a very good ingredient to be in a moisturizer. The second pro would be this Lakme Lumi cream gives that very subtle glow. The third pro would be this is very suitable for dry skin type people, and also it is suitable for cool undertone people. So if you belong to the dry skin category and you are from the cool undertone family, then this is something that you should buy. Moving on to the con of the product, the first con would be this as cool undertone illuminator or highlighter to it, which will make the warm skin tone look dull. So that is what exactly happened in the demo. It made my skin look dull. It made my skin look like silverish, grayish. It did not blend well with my undertone. So with that, I finished my pros and cons. Moving on to my final thoughts on this. So my final words would be, if you belong to a cool undertone, this would look lovely. Only foundation that has cool undertone looks good on you, definitely get your hands on this Lakme's Lumi cream. If you are a warm undertone like me, this would work as a moisturizer, but this would not work as a Lumi cream. So yeah guys, I hope you got my point. Save few bucks if you want to. And with that, I finished today's video. Until then, I will see you in my next amazing video with another product review. This is me, Deepthi, signing off. Bye bye guys, take care.
Do subscribe to Beauty Made Easy for more such videos. Thanks for watching.